Welcome to Hello Market. In this tutorial I'm going to show you the summary page, the basket and checking out. During the campaign creation process, once you have designed your mailing items and chosen who you are sending your campaign to, you will automatically be taken to the summary screen. You can also get to the summary screen by opening a campaign from your campaign manager. The summary page shows you a breakdown of your campaign, with information grouped together in campaign details, creative, data selections, and order summary. The campaign details section lets you view your campaign's reference number along with the name and description. You can edit the name and description by clicking the edit icons. You can also change the tags attached to your campaign. Clicking the Tags Edit button will bring up the tag dialog where you can make your changes. The campaign details section also contains the Download a PDF proof of your campaign button. If you click this, Hello Market will create a PDF proof of your campaign which you can download. The creative section shows you a breakdown of your printed mailing piece, including details about the format, size, stock, layout, and the number of free stock images per item that you get. If you have used Hello Market images in your mailing creative, you will see a link named View Image Details. Clicking this link will reveal a breakdown of the stock images you have used, including which images are chargeable and which image costs are included in the format that you have chosen. Extra Hello Market images are worked out per individual item. If you are mailing out 10 items and you have used one additional stock library image on your creative, you will be charged for 10 stock images. If you are using switching images on your creative, Hello Market will only charge you for those mailing items that show the additional Hello Market stock images. You can hide the breakdown by clicking Hide Image Details. You can preview your creative by clicking the Preview Your Creative button, which will bring up the 3D Preview tool. The Preview tool allows you to see a 3D model of your mail piece that you can inspect using your mouse and the slider controls. You can zoom in and out of your mail piece by using the zoom slider to the right of the preview window. You can rotate your mailing piece by using the rotate slider at the bottom of the window. And you can move your mailing piece by clicking on it and dragging with your mouse. If your mail piece moves out of view and you cannot get it back, simply click the Reset button, and the 3D view will reset, bringing your mailing piece back to the center. If you have selected to use a folding format, or a format with many pages, you can click the Turn Page or Back buttons in yellow at the bottom of the preview window. If you are using user data in your campaign, the preview will display live data by default when presenting your mail piece. You can see the current data record being previewed on the right hand side. Any personalization you have used in your creative will be shown on the preview exactly as the item will be printed for the current record. Remember that the alternate text will appear in place of the personalized text if you are missing any values in your data and have selected Use Alternate Text for those fields, or if you have long values in your data that have caused a text box to overflow. Please see the tutorials on the support page for more information about personalization and alternate text. To the right of the previewing drop-down box, you can see a text box containing a number along with Next and Previous buttons. This is the sequence number of the record currently being shown. You can preview a different data record by entering a different sequence number into the text box and pressing Enter on your keyboard, or by clicking the Next and Previous buttons. Doing this will change the record details shown on the right hand side. If you would like to search for a specific record, you can click the Search for Records link. This will bring up the data search tools. To search for a record, select a field and then choose how you want to search. You can search for values contained within the contents of the field, exact values held in a field, or you can find records that have the longest or shortest occurring values in a field. Clicking Search will bring up a list of matching records. You can view records by clicking one of the results. The 3D Preview window also lets you preview the individual pages of your creative without any container outlines or other overlays that cover your design in the design area. Simply click one of the page tabs to view the page. You can also zoom into the flat page preview. Select a zoom level using the zoom slider and then click the zoom button. You'll now have a zoom magnifier that you can move around the image. Once you've chosen an area to zoom into, simply click with your mouse. To zoom out again, click anywhere in the preview window or click the zoom out button. Closing the preview tool, you can go back to editing your creative by clicking the Edit Your Creative button. Once you have finished modifying your creative, clicking Continue will now return you to the summary screen. The Data Selections section shows you a breakdown of the stock files, datasets and Hello Market consumer data you have attached to your campaign, along with a net total of records in your campaign. You can preview the data in your campaign by clicking the Preview Your Data button. Clicking Edit Data Selections will take you to the Data Results page where you can modify the selections. The Order Summary section allows you to set the postage options for your campaign, postage service level, and the date you would like your campaign to be dispatched, along with a price breakdown for your campaign, including any additional stock images you may have used. Hello Market regularly sends out offer codes to registered users. If you have an offer code, you can enter it here to receive your discount. Once you are happy that your creative looks like you want it to, you've checked the wording and spelling, and you're happy with who you are mailing it to, click Add to Basket to add the current campaign to your shopping basket. The shopping basket shows you all of the campaigns you wish to check out. Each entry shows you the dispatch date, the number of items in that campaign, and the price to print, produce, and mail the campaign. The basket total at the bottom of the campaign list shows you the total cost for all campaigns in your basket. You can return to the summary page of any campaign at any time by clicking the Details button. You can remove any campaign from the shopping basket by clicking Remove. You can re-add a campaign at any time by going to your campaign management page and clicking the Edit button for that campaign, which will take you back to the summary page. Once you are happy with your shopping basket, you can click Checkout. The checkout page is where you need to enter your details to begin the checkout process. On the right of the page, you can see the list of campaigns you are checking out. On the left, you need to enter your personal information. Although your mailing items won't be mailed to your address, unless you're in the selected mailing data of course, the address you enter here will be used as the return address for those mailing items sent to recipients in your user data, so please make sure that it's correct. You also need to enter a telephone number so we can contact you in the event of a problem with your campaign. We will not call you for marketing or for any other purpose. Registered users' details will automatically appear if they have been filled in previously. Unregistered users are asked if they would like to create an account. You can always check out as a guest unless you are using a Hello Market offer code that requires registration. You can return to your shopping basket at any time by clicking the Edit Your Order link.